It's very nice outside. See if you can see. Yeah, beautiful trees. Okay, trees. But today, about to do some stuff. Bro, that food though. That food though. This shit about to go in right now. Hooters. It's a place to go. Alright, so I'm still eating my shits. Still going at it. He's almost done.
Yeah, I'm almost. I got like 3 more, but I don't think I can finish it.
Don't get the honey tie. Don't get the honey tie.
Let me talk.
Don't do it.
My shits are so good, like.
That food was.
It was A1. It was good. It was good.
Waitress, I left my YouTube on the fucking receipt, so hopefully she'll go and check it out.
Yeah, that waitress.
She'll be like, oh my god, they're famous, they're YouTube famous. It's like, I ain't even YouTube famous yet. Come on, subscribe, please. Hit the thumbs up button while you're there. Tell your friends and family about it.
Some dude just got stopped over there and he got blocked off. That was kind of crazy. We tried to get on camera, but we couldn't. It was a little too late. That's it.
Alright guys, so later tonight we're gonna go see The Purge. To let you know if I go with this guy and a whole bunch of other friends. About a whole bunch of other friends. So I'll record just a little bit, give you guys a little sneak peek if I'm able to, if I don't get copyrighted. Like I've been copyrighted like 3 times, so I had to fix my videos.
You have?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's funny though.
That's the worst.
Okay, so I'm at my boy's house, yo. Bro. Yo, how big is this house?
This shit's huge. This house is so big, like it's crazy. He got mad snacks too, like
We're just grabbing on everything.
we just did the cinnamon challenge. You're okay, so that's good ass resolution. Yeah, so we did the cinnamon challenge. What else? That's it.
That's
all we
it.
did. Yeah, that's all we did.
There might be more coming.
By the way, it's Josh the Trainer.
Link
Search
will be
me
in
up
the
on
description.
YouTube.
It'll be in the description.
Yeah, or search me up on YouTube. It's literally I'm the first one because I'm the biggest. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Get at me, guys.
Guys, so this guy wants to drink 2 raw eggs.
No, I'm doing 1 at a time.
Alright, 1 at a
Well,
time.
I'm probably gonna just do this one because I've never done this before.
Okay.
It's in there.
Ooh, I ain't doing that shit. Go ahead, bro.
Oh, he did one. Nasty ass motherfucker. Oh, gross.
Oh, that was nasty.
Missing you and I can't see the end of this. Just wanna feel your kiss against my lips. And now all this time is passing by. I still can't seem to tell you why. It hurts me every time I see you. Realize how much I need you. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I want you. You want her.
What's up, people? What's going on? Josh the Trainer. Check my YouTube channel out. I'm advertising myself everywhere.
Volume up.
What you? Oh. You could get copyrighted for this shit.
It's okay. Ready? Put it all the way up.
So high again, I feel the fire. And you keep telling me that you'll be sweet. And you never wanna leave my side. As long as I promises, and I still feel also wasted on myself. Promises, and I still feel also wasted on myself. Promises, and I still feel also wasted on myself. Promises, and I still feel also wasted on myself.
Alright, what are we doing right now?
We are walking 3 miles to Squam because there's an hour of traffic and it takes an hour to walk. And I'd much rather, as with you people.
It's not cool, fam.
Yo, at least we got a win, bro. There's win.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
feel me? There's win, so it's not gonna be that bad of a walk, so hopefully.
Like, look, we're already moving faster than all these cars.
Oh, this is other way.
Wait.
I'm not going through that, because if you see that, that's kind of reckless. Not about to do that.
I'm about to snap.
Alright, so we still walking. Well, we just started walking now. So this about to be some crazy ass shit.
Yo, so this guy directed us in the wrong way of traffic, and it's gonna take like 3 hours to get to the beach. It should be like 5 minutes. So we're walking.
Pretty much what we're about to do right now. Pretty much what we are doing right now. Oh shit, it's the boys, bro. It's the boys. Uber everywhere. Woo! Cause we walking, bro.
You guys been chilling with Dom way more.
Alright, so we're still walking. Almost there though.
We should got them on GoPro.
Oh damn. Bro, you ain't trying to be on YouTube?
Thumbnail would be like MILF tries to bag us up. Viral.
No, two bad bitches trying to back
that far already.
Yeah,
I was just trying to stick it out, but
yeah, we're still walking.
I'm like past that
Hot as fuck.
intersection. I'm pretty deep right now.
But we're almost there. We only got like 2 miles left. Or a mile and a half, one of the two. So
We got 1.9 miles left.
alright, we got 1.9 miles left, so you know.
We got 1.9 miles.
So, we're almost there. We'll be alright.
What's good? It's your boy Josh the Trainer. It's your boy Josh the Trainer, and we just made it, bro. We got I think, hold on. We got 0.65 to go. So we're close though. If you guys see all the way over there, that's it. But yeah, we'll keep you updated again when we get there.
Alright guys, we finally made it.
Yo, where we going?
After 3 miles, right there. Made it all the way through. So it wasn't even that bad. We beat like mad people here. We're talking to mad people. All asking where we park and shit. Like all the way at fucking Stop and Shop. We trooped it 3 miles, bro.
This
This wind,
Let's hit those ducks.
this wind, bro. Whew. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Just got after a fry. Some kid asked him for a fry and fucking gave
Little
him.
Mexican kid asked him for a French fry. He said 1. He took like 5.
God. Being nice though, being nice.
No matter what you fucking do, you make a fucking mess. Go to Buffalo Wild Wings yesterday, making a mess.
Damn, yo, look, that's me.
Baddie. She's about to sue us.
Yeah, we're heading back to our stuff right now. Hopefully it's still there. Because we went and got mad food. Hopefully you guys can hear me because it's fucking windy as shit. The Dom backed up some bitches.
Yo, deadass. Much
I got some
respect to
broads.
Dom, bro. Deadass.
Got some broads. Selfie. American car. I love it. I love America. I got bros in the living.
I think it has a fucking toenail painting.
No trespassing private property. But there's mad people there. You can see right there. Yep, that's Taylor Swift's house. Yeah, I said it. Taylor Swift.
Let me see if I got
Right there.
right there.
There you go. Right there.
Hey,
Wow.
send me that. Wow, we should have taken a ticket. Then we would have known.
So what just happened? So what just happened? Tell them what happened. Tell them what just happened.
We literally. All right, so our entrance is right over there. That's where we came. Oh fuck, that's where we came from, and we thought it was this one. So we literally walked the whole casino to get Krispy Kreme or whatever, and then we came. By the way, trying Krispy Kreme donuts are fucking fire. So then we came to this one, and then we found out it's the wrong one, so we had to ask for help, and now we're going to the right one, which is all the way.
Alright, we just got back
We did
2
it.
hours ago, and I was tired, so
Bro, me
I didn't want to record. So this is fuck right here. Josh. Kid over here shoving it up in whatever he's wearing. I'm not gonna move forward with that, what just happened there. But yeah, we went to Muscomaket, and then we went to Mohegan, and now we're out here chefing it up. So, blah. Dímelo lo que hay. ¿Qué tú estás cocinando aquí?
Estoy cocinando una carnita muy con sazón y con barbecue sauce. Y aquí tengo un arroz blanco Le puse un poquito de sal y aceite verde, you know. Perfecto.
Eso es lo que hay.
So let's chill out with the
Flex out, flex out.
flex up.
It's like,
There's a guy dancing for his boyfriend.
yeah, bro, dude, you're gonna split shit.
You're Egyptian?
Preguntaron si volvías, llorando di la espalda, no les pude decir nada.